All right, welcome to chapter 21 about learning about blocks today. Let's talk a little bit about it. Today, you're going to learn how to be able to use the block command to transform objects into blocks, be able to insert and multiple insert commands, know the color, line type, and line weight of blocks are based on conditions of when the block is made, be able to convert blocks to individual objects with explode, be able to use the W block to prepare DWG files, be able to redefine and globally change previously inserted blocks, and be able to use Design Center. So that's what you're going to learn today. This won't be a very long lecture. There's not a lot to it. So let's look at what we've got going on here. So this right now is a block. So what is a block? A block is a group of objects that are combined into one object with the block command. So let's take a look. This is right now a block. So if I were to draw, let's just say this, and a circle that goes here. Let's trim that to make it like a chair that's pushed in. Okay, so this would be like a little table with a pushed in chair. If I want to convert this, I can make it into a block. So this is under the furniture tab. So blocks are always what you created them with unless you explode them. So if I were to create this on 0, change this to the 0 layer. Now, when I make it a block, it'll be on the 0 layer and it'll import in whatever layer I want it to import in. So your tool palette insert, this is your tool palette for block. You can type in tool palettes right there. Okay, your tool palettes allow you to drag and drop blocks into your drawing. So say if you want a manhole metric in your drawing, you can drag this out here. And now that block is a metric manhole right there that you can see. It is one solid block. It is in the 0 layer. You can change it layer, but it comes in the layer it was created in, and it was created in the 0 layer. So let's get rid of that. I don't really want that in there. So how do you create a block? All right, so we made this. We want to turn it into a block. We want to make this one piece. Of course, we can join it, but it's different to make it a block. A block is an entity. A join is where you just put something together. A block you can do all kind of different stuff with. So how you do it is you would select the whole thing. Or actually, you don't even have to do that first. You type block. You can see block. Name it. I'll say table with pushed in chair. Okay. You do have to select it first. My bad. Block. Select objects. Table with pushed in chair. Okay. Now that has created this. This is a block. As you see, it's all one piece. It's as simple as that to create a block. That is how you would create one. A block that is created on layer 0, by the way, is current when the original objects comprising the block are created. Then the block assumes the color, line type, and line weight of the layer when it is inserted. So if I were to insert this, so if I were to change this to furniture layer, and then I would say insert block, I have table with pushed in chair, put it here, and there it is. But you see, it came in on the current layer. It came in on the furniture layer. So if you create it on the 0 layer, it comes in on whatever layer you have currently selected in your drawing. There's also M insert, which allows you to enter multiple things at the same time. But we just entered one because we only had the one in there right now. But multiple insert is cool. Multiple insert is actually a combination of insert and array. So with multiple insert, you can do an array of multiple things. So say you had a classroom and you wanted to put a bunch of desks around it, you could use multiple insert. It's like insert an array in one. So multiple insert is great. Now, what if you made this a block and then you decide, you know what? I don't want this to be a block anymore. Well, that's the same as anything else. You would use the explode command. And now that is 2 different entities. Now, if you want to even explode this down even further, you can explode again. And now this is 4 individual lines. So you can explode down as far as you need to explode to make all that work. The W block command writes a block out to a disk as a separate and complete drawing. So you can make this, I can say W block, right there, W block. You could select object W block, BLOCK. Select objects. And now it would be C, Dieter, new block. I can change the name of it if I'd like to table or desk actually, but desk, chair. Okay, and now that will be where I just saved it as a separate entity. It is its own block now, and it's outside the drawings. You can import it into other drawings. You can save them basically as their own drawings by using the W block command. Another one, if you have a ton of blocks in your drawing and you don't want them, you can use this command right here, which is purge. So you can say, hey, I don't want this conference table by itself. So you check that, you say purge checked item. Then that item is no longer in the drawing. It has been purged out. Okay. Design Center window. The Design Center window allows you to navigate, find, and preview a variety of content, including blocks located anywhere accessible to your workstation, then allows you to open or insert the content. So let's try Design Center window right here. So here is everything. I'm not going to show you actually how to use it because that would take way too long, but you can grab things from here. You can insert blocks. You can edit blocks. You can do all kind of stuff with that window right there. If you want to convert blocks, use the set by layer command. So set by layer. Select that. And you can change it to by layer. Yes. Include blocks. Yes. Okay. There are 2 methods for inserting blocks. One, I already showed you, I think right here, insert block. Insert. And here are the blocks I've already put in that I can insert. So I can take this conference table and I can insert it right where I want it right here. And now it is in there. And the other one is using the Design Center that I just showed you. So that is a very quick tutorial on how to use blocks. All right. Talk to you guys next time.